Good evening, everyone. A very great evening, everyone. So, namaste and welcome to the oliveboard platform. This is Vipin Sharma, one of the quant educator at oliveboard platform. So, today is the very first class, and we are going to start tier 2 crash course, or we can say that selection batch first class. So, my dear friends, in this class, we are going to have a quick revision, or we can say that most important questions from the arithmetic section, right? So we will take one or two or three chapters together, right? Whatever is possible, right? So without wasting time, let's moving ahead. So my dear students, this is the doubt window. If you feel you have any doubt regarding the concept wise or any concept wise or any topic wise, right? So you need to just put the doubt in the doubt window. Either me or my teaching assistant will solve all your queries. So remember, this feature is only available for those students who are taking class at the app only, right? The one who is going to take the class from YouTube, because this is the first class, so this class is also available at YouTube, right? So the YouTube students wouldn't be able to put your doubt in the doubt window, right? So if you want put your doubt in the doubt window, so you have to take the class through the app only, right? So here is we go. The first question is on your screen. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, the first question is on your screen. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Good evening everyone. Yes, good evening, good evening. Yes, you will get the recording of this class, or we can say you will get the recording of each class. So you can watch each class n number of time, or as many time as you can, right? So it's up to you. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Very easy question. See, we have A is to B, 2 is to 3, and B is to C is to 3 is to 7, right? We have to find A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, right? So what we have to do, we have to merge here. So we can say that the common term is B. See, B is here 3, B is also 3, right? So without wasting time, directly I can say that A plus B. So A is what? 2, B is what? 3. So A plus B is what? 5, right? A plus B is going to be what? 5, right? So directly I can say that A plus B is equal to 5. B plus C what? B plus C 3 and 7, 10, right? And C plus A what? 7 and 2, 9, right? So directly I can say that 5 is to 10 is to 9. 5 is to 10 is to 9 is the right answer. So 5 is to 10 is to 9 is the right answer. D part is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. So everyone is correct. D daredevil is the right answer. So let me tell you, if I ask, or if I say that A is to B and B is to C is, let's say if I say A is to B is 3 is to 4 and B is to C 3 is to 5. Now tell me what is the value for A plus B is to B plus C is to C plus A. Yes, please. Tell me what would be the answer for this. Yes, everyone. So here we can say that, see, we have B as a common term. So what we have to do, we have to make it equal, right? So just multiply here by 3 and multiply here by 4, right? Multiply here by 3, multiply here by 4, right? So we have to take A plus B. So A plus B is what? 3 into 3, that is 9, right? And 4 into 3 what? 12. 12 and 9, how much? Yes, so 9 plus 12, right? So we can say that 21. So now directly you can do this, right? Without doing, you can say that 3 and 4, 7, 7 into 3, 21, right? So don't waste your time, directly you can write it, right? Because we have make the B portion equal, right? First of all, we have to make the common term equal, right? So after making common term equal, so what we have to do, we have to take A plus B. So A plus B, 3 into 3, 4 into 3. No need to write this, right? A plus B, 3 and 4, 7 units, 7 into 3, 21, directly without wasting time, right? B plus C what? 5 plus 3, 8, 8 into 4, 32, directly, right? C plus A, C plus A, now we have to write 20 and A is 9, so 20 plus 9, so 29 is the right answer. So in single line we can answer such type of question. Yes, so I hope this is very much correct. Yes, 21, 32, 29 is the right answer. Very good. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See my dear friends, whenever we have this equal sign, right, it means two ratios are equal. So we can say that first term, second term, third term and fourth term, or we can say that the first term and second term, so these are the extreme term, right? Extreme term, and these term is known as mean term, right? Mean term or middle term. So we know that there is a concept, or we can say there is formula, the product of, everyone know this, right? The product of, see, the product of extreme term is always equal to product of mean term. Yes, product of extreme term is always equal to product of mean term. So we can say that 4 upon 9 into 16 by 81, 16 by 81 must be equal to x into 2 by 3. So now I can easily say that what is the value for x, right? See, so by 2 this is cancelled 2 times, and by 3 this is cancelled 3 times, right? So we can say that 16 into 2, so 32 divided by 3 into 81, right? So I will get 243. So x is equal to 32 by 243. So D part is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. So 4 by 9 is not the right answer. So 32 by 243. 32 by 243 is the right answer. Yes. So remember this, right? Whenever we have proportional values, right? So we can say that the product of extreme is always equal to product of mean terms, or we can say that the product of first and last is equal to product of middle term, right? So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. So whenever you see 4 dots, right? So 4 dots represent this is the sign of proportion, means two ratios are proportion, means two ratios are equal, right? So proportional refers to equality, right? Proportional refers to equality. So now tell me, everyone. So everyone, please write the answer in the comment box. Yes. See, the product of extreme is always equal to product of mean. So we can say that x into 5 by 9 must be equal to 3 by 7 into 7 by 9, right? So we can say that 7 got cancelled by 9, this is got cancelled. So x is equal to 3 by 5. X is equal to 3 by 5. So my dear friends, we can easily say that 3 by 5. So C part is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. So everyone write just C is the right answer. Yes, everyone is correct. Very good. Bhavik, very good. Pratik, very good. Isra, very good, very good. Sir, please explain first proportional and mixed ratio. See, my dear friends, this is a crash course, right? So I will explain each and everything through the question only, right? So what is the first proportion, second proportion? I will take care of all, right? So don't worry, the questions will come. I will explain through the questions. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to cover complete syllabus, right? So don't worry, you will get the question, right? After 10 to 15 questions, you will get the mean proportion question, third proportion questions. So through the questions, I will explain each and everything. No problem. Okay. Got the point? So don't worry. Now tell me, what is the answer of this question? What is the answer of this question? See, after having a glance over the last 5 to 7 years paper, right, and the current pattern of the paper, right, I have designed this set, right. So in the set you will find easy questions, moderate questions, as well as tough questions, right. So every variety, every type of questions you will see in the classes, right. Okay. Jay Kumar, is this clear? Yes. Jay Kumar Gautam. So I will explain it. Okay. Just give me few minutes. The question will come. I will explain. Now answer this question. Yes, please. See, the same thing is written in the language forms, right? When we are going to take tier 2 exam, right? So we must mentally prepare that the question can be complex as per the language wise or concept wise, right. So concept wise many students are sound, but when it comes about the language, right, so many students lacks on this part, right. So you have to make yourself strong on this part as well, right. See, the question is saying which fraction bear the same ratio to 1 by 23 as 3 by 11 does to. It means that that fraction is x. So x is to 1 upon 27, right, must be equal to 3 by 11 is to 5 by 9. Okay. So this form is written in the form of language only, right. So there is a difference of language and nothing else. So we know that the product of first and last is equal to product of second and third. So I can directly say that x into 5 by 9 is equal to what? 1 upon 27 into 3 by 11, right. Everyone do this, right. So my dear friends, not do this, right. After reading this question, just directly say that x is equal to product of mean term what? 1 by 27 into 3 by 11, right. 3 by 11. See, product of the extreme term. So this term is going to be transferred to the another side, right. So it will be reciprocated, right. It will be reciprocated. So take the odd term reciprocated. So directly write this. Okay, got the point. So after this you will save your time. So by 3 this is cancelled 9 times. By 9 this is cancelled. So x is equal to 1 by 55. Got the point? Yes. Did you understand? Yes or no? See, we can write this. We know that the product of extreme is always equal to product of mean. So we can write it x into 5 by 9 is equal to 1 upon 27 into 3 by 11. Everyone know this, right? Everyone know this. See, 5 by 9 will be transferred to the other side. So when we are transferring fraction to the other side of the equal to, so the fraction will be reciprocated, right. Numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. So directly we are going to do this, right. So we are skipping this point. Okay. So I hope this is very much clear. So moving to next. So D part is the right answer. Now tell me, what is the answer of this question? Yes, please. Yes, please. Everyone tell me, what is the answer for this question? See, a fraction which bears, now I can directly say that let the fraction is x. So this is going to be equal what? 3 by 7 into 1 by 5 into just reciprocate this part. So 15 divided by 7, right? So we can say that by 5 this is cancelled 3 times. So 9 by 49. 9 by 49 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. So in single line I can mark the answer, right? So A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. Okay, very good, understood. So moving forward, now tell me, what is the answer of this question? Yes, please. Tell me, what is the answer of this question? See, we can write this a upon b plus c is what? 1 by 3, right? And c upon a plus b is what? 5 by 7, right? See, we can say that nothing, or we can say no term is common in both ratio, right? But when we focus the first part and second part, or numerator or denominator, if I sum, so we can say that the total is a plus b plus c, so that is going to be 1 and 3, that is 4, right? So here we can also say that a plus b plus c, that is going to be what? 7 plus 12, 7 plus 5, 12, right? So here is a plus b, here is also a plus b. So we can say that in both ratio, taking together both terms, so we will get the same variable, right? If we have same number of variable and same variable, so their value must be equal. So we are going to make equal, right? So what we can do, we have to make the value of a plus b plus c equal. So just multiply here by 3, right? So 4 into 3, 12. So it is already 12. So just multiply here by 3, right? So we can say that a is equal to what? 3. A is equal to 3. If a is equal to 3, so b is equal to what? A plus b is equal to 7. So b is equal to what? 4, right? See, c is equal to 5. If c is equal to 5, c is equal to 5. So a plus b is equal to 9. So 9 minus 5. So b is equal to 4, right? See, in both we got 4 for value b, right? So the value for b is 4 in both. So we can say that the b is to a plus c. This is going to be 4 is to now a b. A is what? 3 and b is c is what? 5. So we can say that 4 is to 8. So 1 is to 2 is the right answer. Okay. So 1 is to 2 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. Yes, yes, you all are very much correct. So we can say that A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. So my dear friends, moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes. See, now directly I can say that A is to B plus C. See, the concept is clear. Now I am going to take the question, right? So what is the exam approach? In exam approach, directly I will say that 5 plus 7 is what? 5 plus 7 together is 12, right? See, here 7 plus 9 together is what? It is going to be 18. Sorry, 16, right? 16. See, 12 and 16 must be equal because both are representing the total, right? Both are representing the total, right? So we can say that the LCM of 12 and 16 is what? 48. So we will multiply here by 4. We will multiply here by 3. So 4 in each term. So into 4, right? Into 3, without wasting time. So directly we can say that the value for A is going to be 4 plus C. See, A plus B, right? So value for A is going to be what? 4 into 5, 20, right? And value for B is what? 7 into, so 21, right? Yes or no? Now what is the value for C? See, value for A is 20. Value for C plus A is what? 9 into 3, 27, right? So value for C is going to be 27 minus 20, right? So we can say that 7, right? We can say that 7. So directly I can say that 7 is to 41 is the right answer. So D part is the right answer. D part is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. So my dear friend, this is the exam approach, right? D daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. Okay. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. What is the answer for this question? See, here the question is saying x plus y is to x minus y. X plus y divided by x minus y is equal to what? 4 by 1, right? So whenever we see this kind of structure, right? So this is just showing the componendo and dividendo. So here we are going to use the componendo dividendo. So let me tell you what is componendo and dividendo approach. See, the componendo and dividendo approach says that componendo and dividendo, right? So very strong approach or very good approach for removing the calculation or for simplifying the calculation, right? So first of all, when we apply the componendo dividendo, so listen, we can apply the component dividendo only in proportion, right? When we have two ratios equal, only then we can apply the componendo and dividendo, right? See, if I say that I have a upon b is equal to x upon y, right? So after applying C and D, so what is C and D? So just C and D is a form, just add the denominator and numerator, right? So numerator plus denominator, right? Numerator plus denominator. So what? A plus B, right? Then subtract denominator from the numerator. So A minus B. So this is componendo, this is dividendo. Must be equal to x plus y divided by x minus y. Is this clear? See, this is numerator part and this is denominator part. So what is the beauty of this tool, right? If I apply C and D in already applied form, right? If I applied C and D in already applied form, so see, directly I can say that this is going to represent numerator and this is going to be represent denominator. If I apply, I will get what? A plus B plus A minus B and A plus B minus A minus B. So after solving that, B would be cancelled, so 2A. In denominator, I will get 2B, right? So see, I will get 2A divided by 2B, 2 cancel, so I will get what? A upon B directly, right? So I will get numerator form and denominator form. The same here, x upon y, right? So if I apply C and D again in the already applied form, so I will get the original form, right? I will receive the original form, right? So we take the advantage of this. See, I'm just going to tell you, I'm just going to say you, when we will apply C and D, when we will apply C and D here, so we can say that this is the already C and D form. So we can say that x is going to be numerator and y is going to be denominator. So directly I can write numerator and denominator without wasting time, because we know there is a already C and D, right? We have already C and D applied form, right? When I applied C and D in already applied C and D form, so I will get numerator and denominator. Okay, yes, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. See, here I will get 4 plus 1 and 4 minus 1. So directly I can write 5 by 3. No wastage of time, right? 5 by 3. Now the question is saying, then what is x? So I can say that, see, y plus z divided by y minus z. So this is equal to 5 by 1. So now I can say that after applying C and D, I will get what? So this is numerator and this is denominator, right? This is numerator and this is denominator. So I will get y divided by z directly. 5 plus 1, 6 and 5 minus 1, 4, right? So this is cancelled. So I will get 3 by 2, right? See, y is equal to same. Y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3, right? So no need to equalize because it is already equal. The common term must be equal. So directly I can say that x is equal to y, z is equal to 2. So x is to y. So x is equal to 5 and z is equal to 2. So the ratio is going to be 5 is to 2. 5 is to 2 is the right answer. So A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. A, Aravali Hills is the right answer. So I hope this is very much clear to you all, right? Yes, A, 5 is to 2 is the right answer. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying AQ plus BQ divided by AQ minus BQ is equal to 185 divided by 158, right? See, so when I apply C and D here, so I will get, so this will be numerator part and this will be denominator part, right? So I can say that AQ divided by BQ is equal to what? Numerator plus denominator. So 185 plus 158, directly I can write, right? 3 and 13 and 1 14, 4, carry 1, so 343, right? So subtract this from this, so 185 minus 160, so I will get 25, so 2 extra, add 2, so 27, right? So we have to take the cube root of this, right? So A upon B. See, cube root of 343 is what? Tell me, 7, right? Cube root of 27 what? 3. So directly just seeing the number, I can say that 7:3 is the right answer. A part is the right answer, right? So no need to waste the time. Directly I can say that A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. See, the same pattern is converted into language form, right? So the complexity here is just transformation. The question is coming in previous year in the form of language. Now it is in form of data directly, right? And the question frequently coming in the form of data. Now examiner going to put the same question in the form of language, right? So this is the one type of differentiation you will get such type of change, right? So don't bother, don't avoid for this, right? So don't get scared about this. So make yourself strong on the language part also. See, just read the question, don't go the size of the question, right? Just seeing on the size of the question, get scared. Oh, what will happen? See, you have to read because this is a tier 2 exam, right? So the ratio of the sum of salaries of A plus B, when you read the question, you will feel that, oh, this is not too much tough, right? So the sum of salaries of A plus B, so I can say that A plus B upon and A minus B. The ratio of sum of salaries and difference of their salaries is 11 by 1, right? And the ratio of the sum of the salaries of B and C, see, B plus C, and the difference of B minus C is equal to again 11 by 1, right? So now directly I can say that after applying C and D, see, after applying C and D in both, I will get A is going to be numerator and B is going to be denominator, right? A is going to be numerator and B is going to be denominator. So I can say that A is going to be numerator and B is going to be denominator, right? So A divided by B. So 11 plus 1, 12, 11 minus 1, 10, right? So we can say that this will be equal to 6 by 5, right? So the same, the B upon C would be equal to 6 by 5, no problem. See, the common term is B, so we have to make the common term equal first. First of all, we have to make the common term equal. So to make the common term equal, just multiply here by 6, just multiply here by 6, here also 6, multiply here by 5, right? So now, see, the question is asking if A's salary is the highest and C's salary is the lowest, then B's salary is the given total of all the entire salary, right? See, the entire salary is this. If A's salary is highest and C's salary is the lowest, then what is B's salary given the total of the all share? See, very easy question. So we can say that A is to B is to C is going to be what? 36, 30 and 25, right? So in total together A plus B plus C salary, right? It is going to be what? 25, 30 and 36, right? So together it is going to be what? 91, right? So we can say that 91 is equal to what? See, 91 is equal to what? 91 is equal to 1,82,000, right? So it is 2000 times. How many times? 2000 times, right? So what is the value? What is the value for salary B? So what is the salary of B? So it is also going to be 2000 times, right? So we can say that it is going to be 60,000, right? So 60,000 is the right answer. 60,000 is the right answer. Yes, 60,000 is the right answer. Yes, 60,000 is the right answer. So I hope this is very much clear. Now moving to this question. Moving to next question. Tell me, my dear friends, what is the answer for this question? Yes, please. See, the question is saying given that x varies directly as y, right? See, x is directly proportional to y. We have already understood that whenever there is a direct proportional, so we can say that the ratio of x must be equal to ratio of y. The ratio of x must be equal to ratio of y. So we have y initial value and final value. So we can say that the ratio for y is equal to initial value, initial and final value, right? So what is the initial value for y? 9, and this is for 50, right? See, the ratio for x is going to be the same, right? So this is going to represent also the ratio of x, because x and y are directly proportional. If x and y are directly proportional, so their initial and final value ratio is going to be the same. So directly we can say that 9 unit is initial for x also, or 50 unit for final also. In actual, x is equal to what? 45. So it is how many times? So it is 5 times. It is how many times? It is 5 times. So this is also 5 times. So no need to use traditional approach, right? No need to use traditional approach, finding the k constant, then putting the equation, then blah blah blah. Not you are going to do this, right? If you understand this concept, so directly you can say that the direct proportional, so 9 is equal to 85, so 5 times, so this is going to be 5 times. So directly you can mark the answer is 250 is the right answer. No need to even use the pen, right, in this question. So directly you can say that just reading the question and understanding this concept, you can say that D part is the direct answer, right? So D is the right answer, 250. Without use of pen and paper, you can mark this answer. Yes, my dear. Yes, we can say that D part is the right answer. D part is the right answer. So my dear friends, moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Now we are having some moderate type question also, right? See, so this is not easy question, this is moderate question, right? Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. See, the question is saying A, B and C spend 80%, 85% and 75% of their income respectively if their savings are in the ratio 8:9:20, and the difference between the income of A and C is 18,000, then find the income of B. Yes, try this question. Yes, please. See, my dear student, let me make you understand first the concept, right? Then I will tell you what will be the exam approach, right? How in just 2 lines, in just 2 steps, I can do this question. How? So I will tell you later on, right? So what is the basic concept? See, here we have the ratio of saving, right? The ratio for saving is what? Ratio of saving is for ABC, it is 8:9:20, right? See, the question is saying ABC spend 80%, means A spend 80%. See, A spend 80%. If A spend 80% of what? His income, right? Out of his income, A spend 80%. It means in percentage how much he is going to save. So we can say that 20% he is saving of his income, right? So we can say that A is saving 20%, right? So we can say that saving in percentage, right? So saving in percentage is what? 20%. And what is the B saving percent? So B spent 85%. See, B spent 85%. It means he is going to save 15%, right? He is going to save 15%. And C is spending 75. So he is, right? So we got saving in percentage as well as we got saving in terms of ratio. So what we can do, we can equalize this, right? So we can say that 20% of income, right? So 20% of income is the saving. So this is equal to 8 unit. In terms of unit, 8 unit, right? Now tell me what is the income. So we can say that income is going to be 8 divided by 20 into 100, right? Yes. So easily I can say that by 20 this is 5 times. So 40 unit is my income, right? 40 unit is my income. Yes or no? So I'm just going to use this funda, right? So after using this funda, I can calculate ratio of income, right? So ratio of income is going to be 20% is equal to 8 units. So what is 100%, right? See, 20% is equal to 8. So 100%, 8 divided by 20 into 100, right? Okay. So 15 is equal to 9. So 9 divided by 15 into 100. And we can say that 25 is equal to 20. So 20 divided by 25 into 100. So with this, we got the ratio of income, right? So what we are doing, we are just deriving ratio of income from the ratio of saving with the help of saving percentage. Yes, is this clear? See, 100 is common in all, so it will be cancelled, right? 100. So while we are cancelling, be cautious, be careful, right? So you have to watch out, right? You have to watch out carefully that the common part must be common in all, right? Common part must be common in all, right? See, by 5, this is cancelled 4 times, this is 3 times, this is 5 times. So by 4, this is 2 times, by 3, this is 3 times, and by 5, this is 4 times. So what is important? So the important part, ratio of income, right? So we have actual value for income. So we must have the ratio for income. See, ABC income ratio is this. Difference between A and C is 18. So what is the difference? So here the difference is 2 unit, right? So difference is 2 unit. So 2 unit is equal to what? 18,000. 2 unit is equal to 18,000. So we can say that it is 9,000 times, right? So it is 9,000 times. Now the question is demanding income of B. So income of B is 3 unit, right? So 3 into 9,000, right? So we can say that 27,000 is the right answer. Okay. So B part is the right answer. Okay. Yes, B part is the right answer. So I hope this is very much clear. This is very much clear. Now what is the exam approach? See, this is the concept. What is the exam approach? See, after practicing, after knowing, we know very well the 100 is got cancelled, right? So what we are doing, we are taking the ratio unit of this saving and we are going to divide it by percentage value, right? So directly we can say that the ratio of income can be calculated. Just take the saving unit of ratio, then divide by the percentage value. Simple. See, 80% is the expenditure, so saving is what? 20, right? So just 20. Ignore the 100, right? So divided by 15, right? And divided by 25, right? How these unit came, you already know. I already explained everything, right? So how did you get these units? You know everything, right? So you have to gain the speed, right? So how you can gain the speed? So this is the way, right? So just solve this. So we can say that cancel out the common part. So we can say that by 5, this is 4 times, this is 3 times, and this is 5 times, right? So in single line, I will get the ratio of income is going to be what? 2 is to 3 is to 4, right? So the difference is what? Difference is 2. 2 is equal to 18K, right? 2 is equal to 18K. How much time? 9K, right? So 3 unit is what? So 3 is 9K. So 3 unit is equal to 27,000, right? So in just 2 steps, in just 2 single line, we can solve this question, right? So no need to do this all. Okay. So I hope this is very much clear. So moving forward, yes, B part is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please, everyone. Everyone, please tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the question is saying the sum of income of A, B and C are rupees 42,000. ABC spent this percent of income and their saving are in the ratio. So what is the, so just ratio of income directly going to be, right, just take unit of saving 15, 21 and 14, right? So just divide it by, what is the percentage unit of saving? 50%, 50 is spent, 15% left, 65% spent, 35 is left, right? So 72% left, 28 is left, right? So we can say that, see, so just cancel the common part. See, by 5 this is 3 times, by 5 this is 10 times, right? So by 7 this is 3 times, by 7 this is 5 times, okay? So by 7 or by 14 this is 1 time, this is 2 times, right? So we have to calculate the ratio of fraction. So just multiply by the LCM. LCM of what? 10, 5 and 2, right? So just multiply here by 10. So into 10, into 10, into 10. So I will get 10, 10 cancel by 5 by 2 times and this is 5 times. So I can say that the ratio of income is going to be 3 is to 6 is to 5, right? So total, so the total income is what? 14, right? So 14 is equal to what? 42,000, right? So how many times? So it is 3k times. So this is going to be into 3k, what? 9,000 into 3k, what? 18,000. So into 3k, so this is 15,000. So I can say that 9,000, 18,000 and 15,000 is the right answer. 9,000, 18,000 and 15,000 is the right answer. So B balle balle is the right answer. B balle balle. Yes, Prabal, you are very much correct. Bhavik, very good. Yes, you both are right. You both are right. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Very good question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please try this question. See, the income of A and B are in the ratio 6 is to 7. See, we have ratio of income. So the ratio of income, see, the ratio of income for A and B is what? 6 is to 7. Okay. And their savings are in the ratio. So ratio of saving is what? So ratio of saving is 8 is to 7, right? See, then what would be the ratio for their expenditure if B spent 2/3 of his income? See, whenever we get such kind of questions, right? So what we have to do? We have to use the tool of spatial formation of ratio. In the spatial formation approach, right? So we have to satisfy the given condition, right? What is the given condition? So here the given condition is B spent 2/3 of his income. if we satisfy this condition, so we can say that income minus saving is going to be expenditure. Got the point? Income minus saving is going to be the expenditure. So simply we have to satisfy the condition, right? Say B spent 2/3. If B is going to spend 2/3 of income, so we can say that if 3 unit is income, so 2 unit is spending, right? So 1 unit is what? Saving, right? So we can say that income and saving ratio for B is going to be 3:1, right? So we have to satisfy this condition. So we have to ensure that the value for income and saving for B must be equal. So by default it is equal, right? So we are going to just multiply here by 3 and we are going to multiply here by 1. So this will maintain 3:1 ratio, right? So take 3 unit of this and take 1 unit. So now just follow the property, income minus saving. So we will get expenditure. So ratio of expenditure going to be 6 into 3 18 minus 8, 7 into 3 21 minus 7, right? So here I will get 10, here I will get what? 14. So we can say that 5:7 is the right answer. 5:7 is the right answer. 5:7 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. B part is the right answer. 5:7 is the right answer. 5:7 is the right answer. Yes, 5:7 is the right answer. Yes, 5:7 is the right answer. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the income of X, Y, Z are in the ratio. The ratio of income for X, Y and Z are in the ratio 3:4:8. 3:4:8, and their expenditure are in the ratio 5:4:6, right? So see, here Z saves 3/4 of his income. So Z saves 3/4 of his income means 4 unit income and 3 unit saving, right? So we can say that 1 unit is going to be expenditure. Yes, so the income and expenditure ratio must be 4:1 for Z, right? So this condition we have to satisfy, right? So when we focus on the Z, see, the income is 8 unit, expenditure is 6 units. So we have to make 4:1 ratio in both unit, right? So here we have to satisfy 4:1 ratio, right? If we satisfy the given condition, so we can operate according to the logical formula between, or logical relation between income, expenditure or saving, right? Yes. So making 4:1 ratio, first of all make it equal, right? So the LCM for 8 and 6 what is 24. So we have to make both 24, right? So just multiply here by 3, multiply here by 4. So it will become 24. It will also become 24. So we have to take 4 unit of, see, 4 unit of income. So into 4 and 1 unit of save, 1 unit of expenditure, right? So we can say that in first ratio we have to multiply here by 12, right? In the second we have to multiply only by 4. Just operate ratio of saving. So ratio of saving is going to be just income minus expenditure. Income minus expenditure, right? So you can say that income minus expenditure. So 12 into 3 36 minus 5 into 4 20, right? 12 into 4 48 minus 16, right? So 12 into 8 96 minus 24, right? Now solve it. 16 is to 32 is to what? 72, right? So by 8 this is 2 times, by 8 this is 4 times, and by 8 this is 9 times. So 2 is to 4 is to 9 is the ratio for saving, right? So the ratio for saving is going to be 2 is to 4 is to 9. Yes, A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. I think this is very much clear to you all, right? I hope this is very much clear to you all. 2 is to 4 is to 9 is the right answer. Yes, 2 is to 4 is to 9 is the right answer. So my dear friends, moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this ratio. So we got the mean proportional question, right? So the one student just asking how we can calculate the first proportion, second proportion, mean proportion. So let me tell you. Now this is the time to tell or to answer that question, right? See, I told you I have included each and every question, each and every concept, right? So nothing will be left. Just be patient or have patience, right? See, if we have two values, right? If we have two values, say if we have two values, let's first value and second value, or you can say x, y, z, right? Or you can say that if we have two values x and y. So when we have two values, right? So what formation of question, what set of question can be formed? We have only two values. See, before telling this, so let me tell you one thing: x, y, and z, right? So when we have two values or when we have three values, so proportional questions are very limited, right? So we have only 3 to 4 questions from the proportion, right? We have only 3 to 4 structure from the proportional concept, right? So what is the proportion? Proportion, you know very well, equality of two ratios is known as proportion, right? No doubt in this. Now tell me one thing, how many minimum terms are required to form proportion? If I ask how many minimum terms are required to form the proportion, so in that case you would say that, sir, if we have only three terms, so we can maintain the proportion, because the concept of continued proportion tells us if we have three numbers, so we can maintain the proportion, right? So question can be when we have two values, because the third one is going to ask with the help of three values we can form the proportion. If we have three values, so fourth value can be asked, right? So two type of questions can be formed from this, right? Just giving two value and just giving three value, right? So when the examiner is providing you only two values, so what are the set of questions? So the first question you may be asked, that is, what is the first proportion, right? What is first proportion? What is the first proportion? So whenever question is asking first proportion, see, I am going to tell you the simple technique. Whenever examiner is asking first proportion for the two values, so take the square of first value, right? Take the square of first value, then divided by the second value. Simple, right? Take the square of first value divided by second, right? So I can write this like, so just make the square of first value, right? First value, make the square, then divided by second. No problem, very simple. See, second question, what is the mean proportion, right? Mean proportion. Most frequently asked question, mean proportion, right? So mean proportion, just take the square root of the product of both. And the third question, what is the third proportion? For third proportion, what you have to do, just make the square of the second, then divided by first. Got the point? Square of the second divided by the first. So these are the only three set of questions will be asked when you are given only two value. See, when you are given three value, so what are the another question? So another three set of question is going to be, first one is, what is the first proportion, right? First proportion. So whenever first proportion is asked, take the first two values. So x, y divided by the third value, right? Simple. Second question is, what is the second and third? Whether examiner is asking or demanding second or third, the formula is same, right? So second and third proportion. So for second and third proportion, take the extreme value, right? First and last, x and z, then divided the middle value, right? See, now what is the fourth proportion? Here the question is going to ask fourth proportion also. Fourth proportion. So what is the fourth proportion? Take the last two values, y into z divided the first. So these are the formation, right? So these are the formation. Okay, now moving to the question part. So I'm not going to provide you the proof for that because we do not have enough time for proving, right? If you need proof, so you can join the foundation classes, right? See, now tell me what is the answer of this question. See, we have two values. Just take the product and square root of this. So we can say that 0.0036, right? See, whenever you have to calculate the square root of point number, right? So point decimal number. So it's just focus on the number. Number is what? 2. See, after point we have one pair of digit, means after decimal we will have 1. So here we have 2 pair, right? So we can say that square root of 36 is 6. So we must have 2 digit after the decimal. So mark 0 or take 0. So we can say that 0.2 into 0.6. So we will get 12 here. After decimal 1, after decimal 2, in total 3 digits. So 1, 2, take 0. So we can say that 0.012 is the right answer. So we can say that A part is the right answer. A, Aravali Hills is the right answer. Yes, A, Aravali Hills is the right answer. Yes, you all are very much correct. A part is the right answer. Yes, bache. Yes, student, you all are very much correct. Very good, very good. So we can say that A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. Now moving forward, tell me what is the answer of this question? Yes, please. See, you will find a proper blend of easy, moderate and tough questions, right? What is the ratio of the third proportional to this and the mean proportion? What is the third proportion? Take the square of second, right? Take the square of second divided by first. So this is going to be first proportion, and mean proportion is what? Take the square root of the product. So 13.5 into 0.24. Okay. So you can write, ignore the point, remove the point, so upon. So here you will get what? Yes, see, you have to take the square root. So you can say that by 5 this is cancelled. 5 2s are 10 or 5 7s are 35. By 5 2 times, and by 2 this is 12, right? Yes, so you can break it 9 into 3 and 3 into 4, right? So we can say that here point cancelled. By 4 this is 2 times, right? So by point, so you will get here 10, right? So we can say that here I will get what? 16 divided by 10. Yes, and here 3 into 2, right? Divided by 400 I will get 10. So 10 get cancelled. So 16, or we can say that by 2 this is cancelled 8 times. So 8:9 is the right answer. Yes, 8:9 is the. So this is mere calculation. So if you know the concept, if you have good grip over the calculation concept, so with ease you can do the in just 5 to 10 seconds, right? Yes, you all are correct. Yes, Prabal, 8:9 is the right answer. Yes, 8:9 is the right answer. Yes, you all are very much correct. 8:9 is the right answer. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Yes. So many students waste their time in calculating this type of questions, right? And they get scared, they get vexed after seeing this question, right? So don't vex, right? So don't scared, don't get fear, right? I am here. Yes, please. See, the question is saying when x is added to each of this. See, what is the structure? The structure is 9 plus x divided by 15 plus x must be equal to 21 plus x divided by 31 plus x. Is this clear? So you would say that yes sir, I am very much clear, or we are very much clear. Okay, so what is the trick? So just take the difference of the numerators. Take the difference of the numerator. What is the difference of the numerator? X would get cancelled by x, so 21 minus 9. 21 minus 9, so you will get 12. Okay, write it. Take the difference of the denominator value, so 31 minus 15, you will get 16. Now take the ratio of this, right? So by 4 this is 3 times, by 4 this is 4 times, no problem. See, now what we have to do, we have to equalize the numerator and denominator difference. So here the difference is 1. So take first ratio or second ratio, it's up to you, right? See, the difference is what? X got cancelled, so difference is here 6. So we have to equalize the difference. So just make it equal, multiply by 6. So here I will get the numerator value, right? So 6 into 3, 18. So I have taken the difference of first ratio. So we can say that 9 plus 6. We can also take the second part also, right? So I can say that 9 plus x must be equal to 18. So x is equal to what? 9. So this is the best approach, right? So nothing best out of this, right? So directly we can say that x is equal to, so if I am clear with this, so I can directly write this, or we can say that in single step I can say that x is going to be 9, right? Now the question is asking, what is the mean proportion? See, the mean proportion is going to be, take x is equal to 9, so 3 into 9 minus 2 into 5 into 9 plus 4. So I can say that 27 minus 2, 25 into 45 and 4, 49. So 5 into 7, right? So we can say that 35 is the right answer. So with ease, with time, we can say that A part is the right answer. Yes, A, Aravali Hills is the right answer. Yes, very much correct. So we can apply this funda in addition and subtraction also. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, अब see, I am going to tell you direct approach, right? X is subtracted from each. So just take 19 divided by 28 and 55 divided by 91. Don't put equal sign, put comma, because this is not in proportion. After subtracting x, so minus x, right? So I'm not going to take this because there is no use of this, right? So this is the, I'm going to tell you the exam approach, right? So I'm not going to waste my time. Take the difference of numerator. What is the difference of numerator? 55 minus 19. So 55 minus 20, 35 and 1. So I will get 36, right? What is the difference of denominator? 91 minus 30. How much? 61. So 61 minus, so 61 plus 2. So 63, right? So we can say that now I have to take the ratio. So by 9, this is 9 4 ja 36. On 9 7 ja. See, what is the difference of numerator and denominator? Here is 3. What is the difference here? So here the difference is what? 28 minus 90, it is 9. So make it equal, right? So just equalize the difference. So multiply here by 9, sorry, by 3, right? Multiply here by 3. 3 into 3, 9. So into 9 into 3 means the numerator part must be 12. Here is 19. So x is subtracted. So x is equal to what? 19 minus 12, right? So I will get that x is equal to 7. Got the point? So directly I can say that x is equal to 7. So what is the mean proportion? So x plus 9 into x square, right? X plus 9 into x square. So 7 plus 9 into 7 square, right? So here 16. So 4 will come and 7. 7 into 4, 28 is the right answer. Yes, 28 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, 28 is the right answer. Yes, you all are very much correct. Yes, very good, very good. So moving forward, now my dear student, tell me what is the answer for this question. Very good question. Very good question. Yes, please try this question. See, the ratio of the incomes of A and B last year was, see, the ratio of income of last year. So we can say that the last year the ratio of income of A and B. So this is 4:3. So we can say that the income of A is 4/7, B is 3/7, right? No problem. But the question is saying the ratio of their individual income of the last year and the present year is 3:7, right? 3:7, 5:6, right? Okay. Okay, see, before doing this question, just jump to the next question. Now answer this question first, then we will go to the previous question, right? So answer this question first. See, the wages of three laborers A, B and C are in the ratio 10:12:15. See, A, B, C. The wages are in the ratio 10:12:15. Simple. See, the A wage is increased. See, A wage increased in the ratio 5:6. So we can say that the previous 1 unit has become now 6/5, right? So after comparing, 5 is equal to 6. 5 has become 6. So what is the value for 1? So 1 has become 6/5, right? See, 1 has become 6/5. So we can say that thus 10 will become what? Just multiply by 5/6/5, right? So this is the multiplying factor, okay? So directly we can say that. See, for B, the wages increased. For B, the wages increased 3:4. It means 3 has become 4. So 1, the value for 1 has become 4/3, right? So directly I can say that the value for 12 has become, just multiply here, 4/3. So 12 into 4/3, right? Okay. So value for C, directly 3:5. So we can say that 5 divided by 3. So we can write here directly, okay? So we can say that this is going to be 60/5. This is going to be 60/5. This is going to be 48. See, 48/3, and this is going to be 75/3. No problem. Yes. See, by 5 this is 12 times. By 3 this is cancelled 6 times, and by 3 this is cancelled 25 times, right? So we can say that 12, 16, 25 is the right answer. So this is the ratio of current wage. This is the ratio of current wage. So B part is the right answer. Very good question. B part is the right answer. Yes. I hope this is very much clear to you all. Yes, you all are right. Yes, 12:16:25 is the right answer. Yes, you all are correct. Now tell me, my dear student, tell me what is the answer for this question. The ratio of income of A and B last year was 4:3 respectively. The ratio of their individual income of the last year and the present year. See, the 3 unit become 4 for A, right? So 1 unit has become 4/3. So just multiply here by 4/3, right? So you can say that the present year is what? Present income is what? 16/3, right? For A. For B, 5 unit has become 6. So 1 unit has become 6/5. So multiply 6/5. So we can say that here it will become 18/5, right? So just calculate the ratio. Yes, please. See, take the LCM. So we can say that into 15, right? So by 3 this is 5 times, by 5 this is 3 times. So we can say that 80 and 54. Yeah, yes. Or we can cancel out. See, by 2 this is 8 times, by 2 this is 9 times. So I will get 40:27, right? So we can say that the total is what? See, total income is what? 40:2. So this is the present ratio of income. Present income or salary for A and B. So total is going to be 67, right? See, 67 is equal to what? 67 is equal to 8.04 lakh. See, remember, so 1 unit is equal to what? 8.04. divided by 67, right? So this is the value for 1. See, then the income of B last year. See, the income of B last year. Now tell me, what is the income for B present year? So we can say that in present, so 27 into 8.04 divided by 67. So this is the present income. So we can say that if the present income is this, so 27 into 8.04 divided by 67. So this is the present income. Present income for B is what? 6. So just divide it by 6. And previous last year is 5. So multiply here by. So this is the structure. So required answer, or we can say that B's last year income is going to be. Now tell me, just solve this, right? Just solve this. See, remove this decimal, so you will get 100, right? So we can say that 67 1 ja 67, right? So how much is left? So 13, sorry, yes, 13 is left, so 134. So 67 2s are 134, right? So 12 times. Okay, no problem. See, by 3 this is 4 times, by 3 this is 2 times, right? Okay, so we can say that, or by 2 this is 2 times, so 5 into 10, right? So 270 divided by 100. So 0 we can say that 2.7 lakh is the right answer. So A part is the right answer. Very good question, very nice question, right? Very nice question. Yes, A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. No problem. Yes. See, if you know this concept, so you can conclude it in just 2 and 3 steps, right? To make you more clarity or understanding, I do this way, right? So you can skip some step also, right? See, here you can directly write this portion in single step, right? No need to this, right? So no need to do this, directly jump to do this, right? So in 2 steps you can solve this question. Okay, so moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the ratio of weekly income of A and B is 9:7, and the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. If each saves rupees 200 per week, then find the sum of their weekly income. See, I am going to tell you the smart approach. See, take the ratio. Income is the main, or we can say base ratio, right? So here we take base ratio. So base ratio is what? 9:7, right? So take the result ratio. Result ratio is expenditure, right? See, so here we take the result ratio. So result ratio we take in middle, right? Always, because income minus saving we will get expenditure, right? So 4:3. Now take the actual value saving, right? So saving is what? 200 per week, right? See what we do. We do the cross multiplication from the middle ratio, one upside and downside, right? So first upside, so 9 into 3 I will get 27, right? 4 into 7 I will get 28, right? So take the difference here, 1 unit, right? So we can say that multiply one time, so 200 into 3, right? See, so smartly you can say that 200 into 200 into 4. So you have to take the difference, right? So 200 is common, 4 minus 3, 1. So we can say that difference is going to be 200. No need to multiply completely, right? So 1 is equal to 200. 1 is equal to 200, the sum of their weekly income. So sum is going to be what? 9 plus 7. So it is 16, right? So 16 unit is equal to what? 16 into 200. So we can say that 3200 is the right answer. So 3200 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Yes. B part is the right answer. 3200 is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Very good question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the ratio of income of A to that of B. So we can say that the ratio of income for A is to B is what? 5:7. So this is the main ratio. What is the result? So ratio of expenditure. So what is the ratio of expenditure? See, A is equal expenditure of A. So expenditure of A is equal to 66 whole 2 upon 3 means 2/3 of expenditure B. So we can say that expenditure of A to B is going to be 2/3, right? So simple. I can say that the ratio of expenditure is going to be 2:3. What is the saving? So saving here is 4,000 and 5,000. 4,000 and 5,000. Just do the cross multiplication. Upper portion, so 5 into 3, so here I will get 15, right? Upside, just do the cross multiplication, once upside and once downside. Okay, so 7 into 2, 14, right? So downside I will get 12,000, here I will get 10,000. So just take the difference. Here the difference is 2,000. Here the difference is 1. So 1 is equal to what? 2,000. 1 is equal to 2,000. So total income of A. So total income of A and B what? So 7 plus 5. So here is 12, right? So 12 is equal to what? 12 into 2,000. So we can say that 24,000 is the right answer. Okay. So total income is equal to 24,000. Very simple approach, right? Very good. So 24,000 is the right answer. Yes. Yes, you all are correct. 24,000 is the right answer. 24,000 is the right answer. I hope this is very much clear to you all. Yes. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. See, so we get questions from the partnership also, right? So in partnership, the nutshell we can say that profit is going to be represented by capital into time, right? So we can say that capital is equal to what? Profit divided by time, and time is equal to what? Profit divided by capital. So here we get divide with the respective units, right? So we can say that A, B, C invested capital in the ratio. So this is the ratio of investment, right? See, the ratio of investment means ratio of capital. So ratio of capital is what? 4:6:9. At the end of the business term, profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio is what? 2:3:5, right? See, what is the ratio of contribution of capital? What is the ratio of time? See, we have to calculate the ratio of time. So we know that the ratio of time is equal to profit sharing ratio divided by ratio of capital, right? So directly I can say that ratio of time is going to be 2 unit divided by, so we always divide the respective units, right? 3 divided by 6 and 5 divided by 9. Okay, no problem. See, by 2 this is 2 time, by 3 this is 2 time. So 2, 9, LCM is 18, right? So just multiplied by LCM. So how to calculate the ratio of fraction? So we can just take the LCM of denominator value and then multiply in all the LCM value, right? So 9:9:2, 10 is the right answer. 9:9:10 is the right answer. 9:9:10 is the right answer. D part is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. Okay. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. So directly I can do this question. The ratio in which the investment was made. Investment was made, ratio of capital. See, ratio of capital is always equal to profit sharing ratio divided by ratio of time. So no need to write this. Directly you can say that the profits are in the ratio 4, 5, 6. So take 4, 5, 6. What is the time unit? So 2 is to 3 is to 6, right? So you can say that, see, by 2 this is 2 time, by 6 this is 1 by 1. So multiply by 3 and all, right? So we can say that 6 is to 5 is to 3. 6 is to 5 is to 3 is the right answer. So ratio of capital is equal to 653. G part is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. See, now tell me what is the answer of this question. A started a business by investing rupees 2700. After some time, B joined him by investing rupees 2025. At the end of 1 year, the profit was divided in the ratio 2:1. After how many months did B join the business? Yes, please. After how many months did B join the business? Yes. See, here we can say that the ratio of capital. The ratio of capital is what? A invested 2700 and B invested 2025. So by 25 it is getting cancelled, right? So by 25, 25 1 ja 25, 0, 25 8 ja 200, 25 8 ja 200, 1. Now by 9 very easily, 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 9 ja, by 3, 4 is to 3, right? So we can say that the ratio of, see, the ratio of capital is 4:3 and profit sharing ratio is what? 2:1. So here we can calculate what is the ratio of time, right? So what is the ratio of time? Profit sharing ratio divided by ratio of capital. Yes. So take the LCM. So LCM is what? See, by 2 this is cancelled 2 times. 2 and 3 LCM 6. So we can say that here I will get 3, here I will get 2. So this is the ratio of time. So this ratio shows that, this ratio depicts that for what time period the money was used in the business. So we can say that the money of A was used for 3 unit time and money of B was used 2 unit of time. So for this time period the money was used in the business, right? See, in the question, A started the business and after how many months D joined the business? See, at the end of 1 year, it means the total term of the business is 1 year, right? A started the business, right? So we can say that A money was used for complete year, that is 12 months. So 3 unit is equal to 12 months. How many times? So it is 4 times, right? So 2 unit is equal to what? 2 into 4 months. So we can say that 8 months. So we can easily say that for 8 months B money was used. See, B's capital was used for 8 months. See, B came late. For 8 months his money was used and he was still end, right? So after, so we can say that 12 minus 8. So we can say that after 4 months B joined the business. After 4 months B joined the business, right? So 8 months is not the right answer, 4 months is the right answer. Yes. So we can say that after 4 months, yes, after 4 months B joined the business. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, please. Everyone tell me what is the answer of this question. So can you do this question in just single line? Can you do this question in just single line? If yes, so please tell me. What is the answer for this question? Yes, please, everyone. See, we know that capital into time represent the profit, right? So we can say that Manoj got 6,000 out of 9,000, right? So we can say that Manoj invested 20,000 for 6 months, right? So we can say that for Manoj, capital into time, that is 20,000 money was invested for 6 months. No problem. Just divided by, yes, C1 T1 for Ramesh. So Ramesh invested let X money, right? For how many years? So for how many time? 12 months, right? See, Ramesh invested his amount for the whole year. Ramesh invested for the whole year. That's why I'm taking Ramesh invested X rupees for 12 months, right? So this must be equal to profit. So what is the profit for Manoj? So Manoj got 6,000, right? See, out of 9,000, Manoj got 6,000. Out of 9,000, Manoj got 6,000. So how much profit got or received by Ramesh? So 9,000 minus 6,000. So we can say that 3,000, right? So Ramesh got 3,000, right? So just solve this. So in single line, you can do this question, right? So we can say that by 3,000, this is cancelled 2 times. By 6, this is cancelled 2 times. By 2, this is 10,000, right? So we can say that cross multiplication 2x is equal to 10,000, right? So x is equal to 5,000. X is equal to 5,000, right? So no problem. X is equal to 5,000. X is equal to 5,000. Is this clear to you all? Right? Is this clear to you all? Yes, I hope this is very much clear to you all. So tell me what is the answer of this question. See, so this is homework for you, right? So the remaining questions are very good. So try these questions, right? So all these questions are homework to you, right? All these questions are homework to you. All these questions are homework to you. You can do this question, okay? So just try these questions. Just try these questions. Yes. Yes. So try these questions. See. So for those students who are preparing, right? So what you have to do, just go to the oliveboard website, right? Just go to the oliveboard website. So you will get this kind of interface, right? You will get this kind of interface. So now you will get 48% off, right, on the super lead. So just go to the course section, right? So after going the course section, you will get this kind of interface, right? So scroll down. In third row, you will get English medium courses, right? So very first batch, selection batch. So this is the selection batch, right? So just click on this, right? So this is going to be start from today, right? So it has started from today. We have taken first class, right? So after this class, so this is the class which is available only on the YouTube as well as app only, right? So this is the single class which is available on both, right? So after this, all classes will be available only app only, right? And we also have doubt window in app only, right? So that is the best feature. So you can go and check it out, right? The information, yes. So this is the batch SSC CGL tier 2 selection batch, right? So in this batch, we are having only students who have cleared tier 1 exam and targeting tier 2, right? So this is the best batch for quickly revise your complete or thorough syllabus in nutshell, right? So you can see how we are doing here, right? Okay, so these are the highlights. So you will get 70 plus hours practice session, each and everything you will get, right? So the token money, or we can say the price of this batch is very less. It is less than 500, right? So I think 400 something. So you can check it out. So this is all from my side. All the best. Keep in touch. So love you all. See in the class. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Tata. Bye bye. Take care.